So today is on Thursday, the 27th of June, 2019. And it is the day that I'm testing the Lightboard, especially the pens. I want to see what or how we can be able to use the same to write. So let's assume maybe I'm talking about mathematics. So I can use the Lightboard to give mathematics video lectures or tutorials. I can give tutorials in a subject like physics. I can also give tutorials in chemistry, tutorials in biology, and any other subject that requires you to write down on a blackboard, to write down on a whiteboard, or any other thing that you might want to do on a blackboard or on a lightboard. You are able to do it on the lightboard here. Of course, that is the first color that I'm testing. It's actually green, but I'm just testing whether these colors are able to come out naturally. Let's see what we can be able to do in physics, for example. In physics, I might have a question like, let's say, a force of, let's say, 100 newtons acts normally, that is perpendicularly on an area of 1 millimeter squared. Let's say 2 instead of 1, 2 millimeters squared. Determine or calculate the pressure exerted by this force. By the force. Let's assume we have a question like that in physics. How would we solve that question? I would first of all identify the force and identify the area. The force is 100 newtons, and there is no problem with that. When it comes to the area, it's 2 millimeters squared, and this will be like 2 divided by 1 million meters squared. So when it comes to calculating the pressure, I would simply divide the force by the area. The force is 100 newtons, divided by 2 over 1 million, everything meters squared. And you can see this answer will give us 2 divides here, we get 50. And then we can multiply by 1 million, and that will be, is it 50 million newtons per meters squared. A calculation like that one. And you can see over here, I'm using the Lightboard to to give a question. And this one is basically problem solving. I can use the Lightboard to take students through problem solving. The same happens in mathematics, it can happen in chemistry, and also in biology. So what is the concept behind the Lightboard? What is it that makes it stand from other technologies out there? In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the technology which is used in the Lightboard, and we can see even without understanding the technology, you can still use it to teach your particular subject. I'm recording this video on 27th June 2019, and that is on Thursday. That is the date when I received my special pens, the neon dry erase markers. Quite good when they are used on the Lightboard. The other type of markers, whiteboard markers as we know them, they are not so good for use with the Lightboard. In fact, they will spoil your Lightboard because they are quite hard to erase once you write with them on this white Lightboard. So let me stop there and see how this one turns out. But even before I edit the video, or rather I look at how the video turned out to be, I can already see that it's quite a good method of delivering video lectures, and you can use it for designing tutorials for your students.